In this video, I will show you how you can see your dividend history on Interactive Brokers. To do this, simply go and open up Interactive Brokers, and then what you want to do first is head over to Performance and Reports. From there, click on Statements. Then from within your statements, you want to get an activity official statement. So this will include your dividends, so just click on Run right there. And then you have a few options, so you can select the period, the date that it is over, and the language. From there you have PDF, HTML or CSV. You can either download it or you can just gonna click on View. I've just created my account, so therefore there is no statement available for the account and date that I selected. But for you, for that month or for the months you selected, you will then be able to see all of the dividends that you received under the dividend column. So that's how to see your dividends on Interactive Brokers. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.